Happy Teacher Appreciation Week. Celebrate with food deals from Chipotle, Whataburger Teacher Appreciation Week 2025, Chipotle and Chick-fil-A offer, special deals to honor educators. As Teacher Appreciation Week 2025 unfolds, educators across the nation are being recognized for their invaluable contributions with special deals from popular restaurant chains. Notably, Chipotle and Chick-fil-A are offering exclusive promotions to show gratitude for teachers' dedication and hard work. Chortle's BOGO offer for educators, Chipotle, is celebrating teachers by offering a buy one get one free deal on Tuesday, May 7th from 3 p.m. to close. Educators with a valid school ID can enjoy a free entrée, be it a burrito, bowl, salad, or order of tacos, with the purchase of another. This offer is available for in-person orders only at participating locations. Chick-fil-A's free sandwich promotion. Chick-fil-A is also joining in the appreciation by providing free chicken sandwiches to teachers on Tuesday, May 7th. Educators can redeem this offer by presenting a valid school ID at participating locations. It's advisable to check with local Chick-fil-A restaurants, as participation may vary. Additional deals for teachers. Beyond these two chains, several other businesses are offering promotions during Teacher Appreciation Week. Insomnia Cookies, free classic cookie for educators with valid ID from May 6th to May 12th. Appleseed, free appetizer, up to $12, with entree purchase and work ID through Saturday. Buffalo Wild Wings, 20% off dine-in and call-ahead orders for school staff with valid ID through Tuesday. Noodles & Company, 15% off orders over $150 with code SAYTHANKS through Friday. Staples, 20% off and a free 12-pack of red pens with teacher ID through Sunday. These offers serve as a token of appreciation for the tireless efforts of educators in shaping the minds of future generations. Teachers are encouraged to take advantage of these deals and enjoy some well-deserved perks during this special week. Please note that participation in offers may vary by location. It's recommended to check with individual establishments for specific details.